Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So this is kind of one of my favorite little hacks, if you want to call it that. In this example, the client's laying on her back. She's got a gait belt. It's looped over the shoulder and behind her back, but it allows her to support the upper thigh while gravity is pulling down on the lower leg. So the skinniness, the thinness of the belt works better than the thickness of a towel. We used to use a towel or a pillowcase behind the knee, pulling up on the upper thigh, and it just got too bunched up behind the knee and made too much interference. So this allows her to have something thin profile. It allows gravity to work on pulling that heel toward her backside. She can actively kick into extension, then pull down into flexion. This position could be used as long as tolerated. For some clients, they're going to tolerate it 2 to 3 minutes. Other clients might be 30 seconds. But certainly this is a strategy that probably should only be used later in the recovery process, maybe sometime around week 6 or 7. Once all the nausea and other symptoms have kind of subsided, and it just allows you to work on that range of motion, work on that knee flexion at home, on the comfort of your own bed, at your own pace. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I just wanted to share this little kind of innovation with you guys, more than anything, just to spark some ideas and see what you guys can come up with. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.